Hello, it's been a long time I didn't upload a video, but today we will talk about RN endorsement, do-it-yourself cost based on my experience. Before that, welcome to my Nurse Insight. Subscribe. If you plan to endorse your RN license in Tennessee, I'll show you the cost. To process the endorsement, fees are needed. Number 1, online application fee. When you visit the Tennessee BUN, you will encounter this. You will input all the information, upload the documents, and at the end, you need to pay endorsement fee, which is cost $115. Second, verification of license fee. This is also important. You will visit nurses site and you will ask to verify for endorsement, input all the information needed, and then at the end you need to pay this license verification. You will pay around $30. Mine, I endorsed from NMI to Tennessee. Third, criminal background check fee. You will be asked to go and visit Ident2Go, pre-enroll, and after that you can visit Ident2Go if you're living in the US, or other services like Postal Annex. Mine, I visit that one, and I paid $39.15 for live scan fingerprint. If you're out of state fingerprinting with Ident2Go, here's the detail. You need to pre-enroll for card scan, and the fees are here around $35.15. Ink fingerprint card service fee. You will go to the police station or other services, and the mailing fee. Fourth, notarized fee. You will also encounter this. You will be asked for declaration of citizenship, input all the information needed, and you will be asked to notarize it. You go to the notary services like parcel shipping store like UPS, law offices, libraries, license service centers. And fifth, other documents fee. If you don't have the documents ready to be uploaded in the online application, you need that, like passport, photo, or diploma. You go need that fee. This is a friendly reminder, Philippians 1:6. Thanks for watching my Nurse Insight. Subscribe. God bless.